Hello everyone. Welcome to the MUC XANH Crochet YouTube channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how to make this keychain pattern. This pattern is very easy to crochet, and I think it will be very suitable for those who are learning to crochet. You can attach it to your bags to add more attraction. To make this product, I will use 50 grams of milk cotton yarn. You can use any colors you like to mix and match. In addition, you will also need a sewing needle, a 2.5mm crochet hook, and a 3.5mm crochet hook. Next are some of the abbreviations in crochet that you need to know to make this product. Now I will go through the instructions. First, I will use a 3.5mm crochet hook, and I will join 2 strands of yarn together to crochet. We will start with the big smiley face. In the first row, you create a magic ring and make 3 chains. Then crochet 12 double crochets into the magic circle. After finishing the crochet, you will tighten the magic ring and end the first row with a slip stitch. I will continue to the second row by crocheting 3 chains. In the second row, you have to make 2 double crochets in the same stitch. It is called an increase double crochet. You will repeat the same for the next stitches until the end of the circle. The total number of stitches in the second row is 24. End the second row with a slip stitch. And crochet 3 chains to continue to the third row. In the third row, I will crochet in clusters. In the first stitch, we will make 1 double crochet. And in the next stitch, we will have 2 increased double crochets together. You will repeat this cluster 11 more times. The total number of stitches in the third row will be 36. In the third row, I will not end with a slip stitch. I will cut the yarn here. Now I will guide you on how to finish the edges to make it look nicer. You will use a sewing needle and thread the yarn through the needle. Now follow my video to see how I cut the yarn and finish the edges. That way, I have created a beautiful circle. You will do the same to make another big smiley face. But for the second smiley face, when cutting the yarn, remember to leave a long thread for sewing. Now I'm going to guide everyone on how to sew the smiley face part. Using a different colored yarn, you will sew 2 eyes with the distances of 4 stitches. Then sew the mouth like this. You can create different sewing methods that you like. Here, I have finished sewing 2 big smiley faces. Now I will continue to crochet the small smiley face part using a different colored yarn. In the first row, create a magic ring and crochet 3 chains into the magic ring. Then continue with 12 double crochets. Pull the magic ring tight and end the first row with a slip stitch. Chain 2 to continue to the second row. In the second row, for each stitch, you will crochet 2 half double crochets into it. It is called a half double crochet increase. Repeat the same for the remaining stitches. The total number of stitches that we have in this row is 24. In the second row, I will not finish off with a slip stitch. I will cut the yarn here and you will sew it similarly to how I instructed for the big smiley face. You will make another small smiley face, but leave a long thread of yarn when cutting. Now I will use blue yarn to sew the face for the small smiley face part. Everyone, follow the video to see how I sew. Now I have 2 small smiley faces. Next, I will make the string to connect the 2 smiley faces. I will U-hook 2.5mm for this string. You guys take 2 different colored yarn, create a knot, crochet 5 chains using blue yarn, then you take the pink yarn and pull the crochet hook out of the loops, and I will thread the pink yarn through. Please note, when changing colors, you must thread the yarn from bottom to top, not from top to bottom. I will repeat until reaching the desired length. I will repeat until reaching the desired length. Here I crochet 80 rows. I will tie it off by pulling all the yarn through and make 1 chain and cut the yarn here. So I have finished the string part already. Now I will sew the parts together. You tie the string inside the smiley face and stack the 2 smiley faces together like that. And then I will sew into the back loop of each stitch. Everyone follows closely to see how to sew. You guys do the same until the end. After finishing sewing, we will get the result like this. I will hide the excess yarn inside. I will do the same with the small smiley face part. So I have finished making this cute keychain. Do you guys find this product easy to make? Hope this video brings useful sharing to you. If you liked the video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel to follow upcoming videos. Goodbye and see you all again.